This is how you can enable log encryption in Iguana. Note that this is only available in Iguana version 6.1 for professional and enterprise licenses. Once you have updated your Iguana license code with either a professional or enterprise license, you can click Create Log Encryption Locker. You will then be directed to create your log locker password. It's important to remember this password because every time when the Iguana server starts, you will need to enter that locker password. However, if you choose to enable auto unlock, it will automatically unlock the log locker on an Iguana during startup without having to specify the password each time. Your log locker file is found in your Iguana installation or working directory. In this case, if you ever need to move your log files to another instance, you will have to copy over your .log files along with the locker file. And then when you do update your license code on another Iguana instance, you can select Unlock Existing and provide the log locker password of that previous locker license code.